fact rope in Mr. Rawal on this. Dr. Dua explained some causes that might have caused the reason why the gold is now declining because of geopolitical uncertainties. But if we are looking at silver, do similar conditions apply to silver? Because like sir has been talking about, it has a lot of use in AI, in semiconductors, in chips, and that's something that is the need of the hour right now. However, we are still seeing the price drop.
Thanks, Shivani, and thank you for having me. Regarding silver prices, actually you can call this gold as a hedging asset, whereas silver is not a hedging asset. Silver is not a precious metal. Silver is an industrial metal. So the prices of silver is rising or declining from other reasons. No doubt the future options were there also, and that added to that. But actually being in industrial, as you have rightly said, that is AI, your solar, your other industries, battery industry need this. So all these industries, basically this is a raw material for them. The silver prices rose because of all those reasons, because the AI was in demand. They were demanding more silver, and China made some put some restrictions on it, and because of that this all happened. And on the other side, since all the commodities were going high, this is not only gold and silver, even copper was on the same track, even crude oil. Now every commodity is falling for the last 1 week. I was watching at the graph you prepared. If you really prepare for all the commodities, you will see the similar type of, no doubt the silver is going more faster. It's a more, you can say, declining way, range bound. But I will say that this is a technical correction, and it was very much expected. There is nothing like that it was not expected. It was expected. No doubt it happened so sharply that it has affected the market. But on the other side, if you really see, it's a range bound. It's between 2 to 3 lakhs rupees. The prices has to stay around. If it go high, then there may be situations different. Otherwise, it has now touched the base other way around, and we are not expecting much increase in this now. Now it not so much of decrease, nor the increase in that. So this is happening that way around. So I don't find anything extraordinary than gold. I think both are going on the same way. Silver is going more sharp declining. That is one of the cause of concern for everyone, because people have lost a huge money in it, and that is really alarming for everyone.
All right. In fact, let me introduce this piece of information to our viewers, that if I can go across to Mr. Rawal on this. So precious metals all are now seeing a fall, a crash. We were talking about gold, we were talking about silver, we are now talking about palladium and platinum as well. But overall, sir, if I am an investor, if there are investors who are investing in precious metals, what is the long-term outlook? Should we buy? Should we sell? Should we still just, should we observe a wait and watch policy?
Shivani, I think I will concede with Dr. Dua that no one can tell you whether to invest, or it's your own acumen. When to invest, how to invest, and what are the ways to do that. The thing is, the market is volatile, and this is not volatile from today. If you really see in last 1 year, the gold has just doubled. Silver has gone hayway. If you really see all those things, we can't comment on any of the commodities that how they are going to behave in the coming days. The market is volatile, and it has to remain like this only in the coming days. It is not going to settle down. I will take Dr. Dua's last line, that sanity must prevail. It is only, जिसको हिंदी में कहते हैं ना, बुद्धि आ जाए तो आ जाए. Otherwise, everything is going the other way around. He's nominating his own Fed chair, Kevin, and no interest cuts are there expected. Dollars is getting stronger. Whenever dollar gets stronger, these all commodities gets affected. Basically, you cannot comment anything. Even the margins has been raised by the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, CME. If you really see the Indian market, the prices are these are the very small things we see, that the wedding season is there. It is a lakhs of, if you really see, 2,65,000 tons of gold has been mined, and you cannot expect mining indefinitely. There are different places for that. It is only the future and options. Basically, the only option put, it is happening like this. It has become a overbought market. So it is supposed to settle down for all the commodities I'm talking about. It is a overbought market right now, and this is a technical correction, nothing wrong in it. It has crashed very sharply. That is creating a fear in the minds of the investors. Otherwise, everybody was knowing this, that something is going to happen in the market. This volatility was very much expected. So all the commodities, which I will only suggest to the investors, just whatever do cautiously. Do with your own brain. Don't listen to the people. Don't listen. People are buying from the tea vendor's shop that let us invest in this. Everybody is not making money. You know, everywhere, every time the retail investor loses. That really pains somewhere.
All right.
He always, because he enters at the last, and now the prices, even now it is very volatile. Even today, 9% market
Absolutely.
is
So I think the crux is that